What a modern, industrial, and at the same time relaxing space. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern industrial brand new 3-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Marikina City, bordering Quezon City. This property has a total floor area of approximately 316 square meters and a lot area of 204 square meters. It's also just 5 to 10 minutes away from Katipunan Avenue, giving you fast access to the rest of Quezon City and Metro Manila. Let's begin by taking a look at this gorgeous facade. With 3 levels, you have mahogany wood cladding for the facade with a stone tile design on the other side, giving it a very impactful and modern feel. In addition, this is a very quiet and peaceful neighborhood that's excellent if you have pets. It's also great for jogging and biking. And join us as we begin this tour. Let's go! So through the pedestrian gate, you have a carport area to your right. This is for 2 vehicles. You have access here towards the side of the house. And then you have this exposed I-beam design also. Lighted steps leading up to a narrow main door. And you see how nice the contrast is with the steel beam design with the mahogany wood here. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You're welcomed by an open layout for your ground level with an area to entertain guests. This is a nice foyer space. You have that lighting here, and I'm gonna stand beside the door so you see the size. And the cool handle also reflects the modern industrial design. You have all this natural light here from this large window, giving you a fantastic view of your swimming pool area. And I'm loving how they were able to fit this into the 204 square meter lot. And this is a great additional amenity space. So through these sliding doors, so the pool just got cleaned this morning, so this is going to get clearer and clearer as the day goes on. But you see that you have a waterfall feature here. This is a great lounge pool. I like that it has steps here also. So it's nice, especially if you have kids. So there's a safe area here, and it even has bubble jets. And it's also lighted, so it looks really cool at night. And for your convenience, You also have an additional area here that leads to the back of the house and a full bathroom. So this is great for guests. You already have a shower area. So this is great as an additional like barbecue area also if you have friends and family over. And then right here, as a complement to your swimming pool area, you have an entertainment bar space. Cool lighting here. Once again with the brick design, reflecting the industrial feel. And check out the high ceiling space here. So there's a provision here if you'd like to have your own light fixture or chandelier that you feel fits into the aesthetic that you'd like. And then of course, on top of the bathroom that you already saw earlier, you have an additional indoor powder room right here. And now let's explore the back of the house so you see how it's maximized as well. So this area is purely an amenity space for the ground level. But once we come here, you have a well-spaced service area. So you have, speaking of having a barbecue area, you have a brick barbecue space right here. And then an additional heavy sink space. And then a well-designed laundry area right here. And then this is your staff room on this side. So we're not going to go in there because there's still some construction materials inside. But to give you an orientation, you have access here also towards the side of the house. And then this is the bathroom of your staff. So you see, it's also very well designed. And then you have an additional room here. So this can be a storage room. It's up to you how you can maximize this room also. So this leads already out towards the parking area. Now let's head back in. And you see, you have nice landscaping and greenery all around. And check out even the exposed beams right here. Okay, now let's head on up towards the second level of this home. Let's go. Let's talk about the staircase area. The industrial modern look is in full effect with the I-beam design built into the walls here with Tindalo hardwood for the stairs, lighted steps as well, and even a cool light here. And now we're here at the second level where you have an open living space. Check out how spacious this entire area is. Large windows, lots of natural light, high ceiling, LED lighting right here. Flooring is large format tiles with a nice sort of matte finish. And at the same time, it complements the aesthetic very well. And this is great for entertaining guests. So you already have your amenity space downstairs in terms of the swimming pool area, but you can have guests up here. You can lounge in this space. And check this out. This is spacious enough that you can even close this off and make this like a guest room. And then you have an open below design here. So you have a view of your swimming pool, entrance foyer, and then you have your dining area. So you have this solid wood centerpiece table right here. You can easily sit about 8 people on this table, or if you'd like, you can replace this if you'd like a different setup. But what I like is there's so much space and it leads out to a spacious main kitchen. It has a countertop here already. Cool pendant lights right here. Great meal prep area, great area to entertain guests. Lots of space, even the display area, and lots of room to maneuver. This is where you can have your oven, range hood, large working sink here, that's stainless steel, Samsung refrigerator, lots of light, so very well organized. And of course, you also have, for ventilation and lighting, a balcony space. Let's check it out. Now, to point out, the windows are aluminum. Very smooth mechanism. Easy to move, easy to slide. And also, it has a screen already. And you see, this is a nice additional amenity space for your dining area. I like that it extends to this side. And of course, it's up to you if you want to replace these plants. You can influence the look of your facade based on the plants that you're going to place here. So it's up to you. Now we're back inside. And now we're going to head up towards the third level where you have your 3 bedrooms. Let's go. So what I'm noticing is even the third level has a considerable ceiling height. You can see from the height of the doors right here. And the industrial design is still in full effect. Okay, let's begin by taking a look at the first bedroom, second bedroom, and we're gonna cap it off with your master bedroom. But let's begin here. First bedroom. You have wooden design laminate flooring and a complementary baseboard right here. Good size, and I like that they have built-in cabinetry also. And then lots of light, lots of ventilation, and the ceiling is high enough that they were able to place cove lighting as well. And then you have an ensuite bathroom right here. And check out the design. They even have that modern industrial aesthetic with this cement finish over the tiling. And now we're going to take a look at the second bedroom right here. Nice. Similar size. You can easily have a semi-double bed right here, even a double bed, and then you have split type air conditioning already included here, cove lighting, built-in cabinetry, and one of the things that I like about this home is how peaceful the entire area is. You have a great view of trees, greenery. Once you look out the windows, even a view of the mountains to the east. Another thing is, this property is also excellent if you're coming from a very, very large home, like a 500,000 square meter home, but you're looking for a quality 3-bedroom home. This is a fantastic find. And then once again, you have an ensuite bathroom. Similar to the design of the last one, once again with that cement finish. Even, this is a nice touch, having that indirect lighting behind the round mirror. And once again, Daikin inverter split type air conditioning unit. Now we're here at your primary bedroom. This has such a strong impact with the ceiling design, and there is a slight wooden design finish for this feature wall. It has a very cool effect, and there's also cove lighting all around. So this bed is already included, but if you want to replace it, it's up to you. But you see how spacious the area is. There's room enough to have bedside tables and even a large console here, and even additional storage, and maybe even a desk and a chair. Okay, it's now time to check out the walk-in closet space and bathroom. Wow, this is well designed. Because of the ceiling height, they made sure to have cove lighting here. It has a very elegant hotel-like feel. Lots of storage all throughout. And then you have a separate bath space. Dual vanity sink area, large counter right here, and then different tiling, floor to ceiling. You have a rainfall shower head built into the ceiling already, tempered glass shower enclosure, and even the ventilation gives you lots of natural light. And another nice thing is this gives a great contrast to the industrial feel throughout the property. So, but you still have that touch by having these stainless steel towel racks. Okay, so great touch in terms of the design. And of course, you once again have a balcony for your master bedroom. Let's go. This is such a cool and refreshing view, and there's space enough here for a table and a chair. And what's nice is there's even an outlet built into the wall right here. And it's also covered, giving you such a peaceful view of the mountains to the east. And this caps off our quick house tour. To know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.